tants number 11, 4B, ootamatud asjad.
Can you handle me? If I'm not what you thought I'd be. Can you handle me? I'll pull some antics that baby you can never expect. I might hate you for one thing, but then I'll want you for sex. I might like you a lot, I'll still hit up my ex. I might love you tonight, tomorrow it's someone next. Can you handle it? Yeah. Thinking of me, thinking of what you're signing it for. Think you love me, think you got me, but boy I'm not yours. 'Cause I got a couple of trees, I'm always wanting some more. You wanna try it, wanna bite out at me, but are you sure? I think I'm leading you on, but it's not meaningless. So I actually want this, I'm just naturally like this. And I wish I was wrong, but you ain't seen it yet. There's just a light
Baby, ride me to the darkness of the night. Kill me softly